Sir Paradise, Pig in Paradise, Kaba 8. I'm getting my butt kicked by the Sergeant Queso. I haven't even tried it today. I'm afraid of it. Figured I'd pick on this thing a little bit, see if I can't try to get the day rolling. But so far, I don't know. I'm not feeling too awfully confident. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Never gutted it before, so oh well. See how that goes. See how that goes, poulet. Poulet. Yeah, something like that should work. Well, we're going to lock it. It's got C-clip. Let me think. Pins are here and here. They could get caught in this little thing here, so I could shim it. And if I listen to my good buddy Dagmaster, then I should shim the shimmy song. So I'm going to get it. Like this little vial is actually funny. I've got like some old Dom barrels and maybe, yeah, basically just Dom barrels in there from back in the day, like when I, like early on, like first months of picking, I picked up a Dom. Where the fuck? Oh, okay. I was like, where's the lock go? I'm looking for the C-clip remover. But yeah, anyway, something. I'm gonna also need some tweezers. Where the fuck are they? You know, I was thinking the other day, I gotta get like, I'm gonna put something on my tweezers. I can never find them, dude. Like, and they're just like laying right here. Do you guys see them anywhere? Oh, right here. They just like hide. They're hide. They like hidems. Oh yeah, you guys can check out where Buddy bit me. Buddy like taste daddy. Before anybody gets her fucking panties in a wad, he was fighting another dog and I got in between, so is to be expected. It was close. That one's not working. So it's supposed to be like that. We're supposed to like catch. And then it just goes back. That doesn't work. That's not gonna work. Is this side gonna work? No. Let's try this side. No. Let's see how this goes. I can make that work. I just put something else in here. Okay. Oh, I guess I need 2 shims. I mean, I don't really think I'm gonna need shims. I don't think that they're gonna get caught on that thing, but what do I know? So I should use a key. I don't have any idea how to fucking gut this thing. And now I don't know. Okay, so that's top.
Somehow, I don't remember that. Something like that. I'm find a follower. Hollow. Alright, so that's the right size there. There's nowhere to put a sham, dude. Maybe there is. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to sham it. Wish me luck, everybody. Okay. Black is gonna be big enough either. Okay, well, what's that? Let me see if I can do something else really quickly. Let's see if I can. That's not gonna get off of there. This is too. This diamond shouldn't be too big. This should be just fine. Like this isn't gonna work because it's too big. Okay, I don't have any other hollow dollar, so I guess I don't know. Going to cut it like this. Actually, I gotta get a, on the left side to stop. I suck at very much. Okay. There's two. It's kind of got like a little hollow thing. I imagine they're all kind of hollowish. Oh, beautiful. That's, I said 1, 2, 3. Fuck you. They're all the same. There's gonna be one more driver somewhere. Oh, right here. I have to match these. They are different sizes, so I'm gonna have to match them a little bit later. I know those are kind of correct. So I said, fuck it, whatever. Which side? I know that I'm going this is this side, so. And that would be. Wait a minute. So this came out of the last chamber, which is this. See that? So I'm going first chamber here because it was backwards. It's pulling out, and that's the last chamber. So this is the first chamber. Just like that. Oh, but this came out of the last. And this came out of here. Okay. Oh boy. It's hard for all of us, I guess. Last chamber here. I don't even know. Oh, there is something. Oh, that's key. Look, there's a sidebar. Nope, that's just key. Boy. Well, that is about 8. It's got 8 pins. That's it. I don't even know if that's worth any points, but that's that. Let's go a little close up here for you guys, just in case.